My name is Simon Shane. I founded Air Turbine Tools in 1988. We have developed a different technology which maintains high speed under load. At 25 to 90,000 RPM, we maintain constant high speed in cut with power to 1.4 horsepower. A key difference with our products is you have an O-ring governor that increases airflow responsively on demand to match cutting load. You don't sacrifice power to get speed. We stay at a constant speed in cut. All you need is 90 psi dry clean air, and you can mill 24 hours a day, 25, 60, 90,000 RPM with no heat, no duty cycle, and no thermal growth in your spindle or live tool. For so many customers around the world, we're pleased to have supported their operations, giving them high speed, reliably on the tool path without slowing down 24 hours a day, and optimizing the performance of their small tools, enabling to get 6 to 10 times higher production from any CNC machine. Our spindle automatically loads from the magazine on the Okuma machine to give the customer 50,000, 65 or 90,000 RPM with air through our spindle. High speed is integrated, making every Okuma machine a high speed machine.